Hi, hello, my name is Ash. Welcome to my channel, and I have officially started makeup school. So I'm going to apply my makeup while I talk about starting makeup school. So what had happened was the Online Makeup Academy reached out to me and asked if I was interested in taking their master makeup class and talking about it. So shout out to the Online Makeup Academy for sponsoring this video. So I'm one of the weird people that did not get into like makeup when I was younger. I first got into makeup when I was in, let's say, junior high and high school. It don't really count because all I wore was eyeliner. I was very emo. So I count me getting into makeup when I was in college. That's when I started playing around with like eyeshadow, and I remember very distinctively, if I can find the photo, I will throw it up here, of the first time I ever filled in my eyebrows. But I found that one thing since I started my makeup journey is that I just have a deep love of makeup. I actually started making YouTube videos in like 2013, I want to say, when I was in my junior year of college. It might have been my senior year of college. I think that's when I actually started, and I actually didn't intend to make makeup videos when I first started YouTube. I didn't know what I had planned, but it wasn't makeup, and then I started getting into makeup. I never would have thought that I would want to be a makeup artist, because even though I like to be creative, when I was younger I was a tomboy. I didn't do anything really girly, mainly because I grew up with two brothers, two male cousins. But what I love about makeup is the ability to not only transform yourself or someone else, but the joy that comes after you create a makeup look and just looking in the mirror thinking, holy crap, I look good. I'm at a crossroads in my life where I don't know what the future is going to hold for me. I had to say the Online Makeup Academy reached out to me at the perfect time, because I am in a transitional period of my life, and I think it's time for me to take the plunge. So of course I said yes to accepting the course, accepting the sponsored video, and I started the course, and I'm so giddy about it. So I'm definitely not finished with the course, but I have found that I'm learning a little bit more than what I learned just through my trial and error and watching stuff on YouTube. It's a more professional teaching of what it's like to be a makeup artist, and things to include in your kit, and how to be a professional, like what people look for if you're doing like set makeup, or if you're TV, if you're just doing photo shoots, whatever, weddings, the whole tidbit. It teaches you how to be a professional through all aspects of it. I think one of the greatest things about taking the online class is that I'm learning that I'm not as stupid when it comes to makeup as I thought. Like I said, I have been teaching myself for the last almost 10 years, and at most I learn a few things from YouTube. Most of what I know is through trial and error and getting to know my face and what works for myself and my skin type. Going into taking this class, it's not necessarily about learning how to do makeup on myself, it's learning how to do makeup on other people. I want to continue learning in makeup and turn my love of it into a career. And I used to think that maybe I'm not cut out to be a makeup artist because I don't do makeup on other people. However, I am wanting to learn. Oh, this smells so good. I have worked most of my life in a customer service aspect, and I don't like the retail aspect of it, but I do like helping people. And if makeup can make me feel better about my life, I know I could help somebody else feel better about theirs, even if it's just for a few hours after I put on their makeup. So let me backtrack a little bit more about the Online Makeup Academy. It's not actually just online. They have a school in New York, and I think it was during the whole pandemic and everything being shut down, they opened it up to an online aspect because that gave more people the opportunity to, learn from their tutors and their makeup artists there at the school. So doing it online, everything is pre-recorded videos and you watch them, and the greatest thing about that is you can pause at any point, rewind, and go back. You can't do that in real life when you're talking to a real professor. Doing it online also means you're doing it at your own pace, and that's amazing if you are currently working, or you have family or something, or you have something that's preventing you from going to a physical school. Doing it online is amazing. It's also cheaper. And just because it's online, that does not mean that you won't have an instructor to talk to. There are points in the lessons where you can add notes, you can send questions. They have it all set up to where they are available to you if you need help with anything. And I think that is great that they've offered that, because it's like you're in a one-on-one situation with somebody that's teaching you. Let's move on to what I've learned so far. So I am pleasantly surprised that going through the first parts of the lessons, I've got about 25% of the way through and I have a good understanding of the setup of it, and I'm excited to finish it. Honestly, I was a little bit apprehensive getting into it because I wasn't sure if I was going to learn anything of more value than what I could find, just available online. And I am finding that I am learning things that sure can be readily available if you just Google it, but it's different, it's just different when you are being taught it versus just you're searching for the information yourself. I think one of the things that's going to benefit me the most from taking this makeup course, besides learning some makeup basics that maybe I'm struggling with, like I suck at contour. I know that it's not my strength. I think learning about other people's undertones and skin tones and learning how to apply makeup on somebody that isn't pasty white like myself. You learn about the color wheel and how color theory is so big in makeup, and it really is. It's honestly, everything just goes back to color theory, and it's fascinating. I think when I finish this makeup course and I am fully certified as a makeup artist, I know I will feel so much more confident in my ability to actually pursue this as a career. I don't know what sort of makeup I want to do. I'm not sure if I want to do bridal or if I want to do like something that's on the set, like TVs and movies, or maybe I just want to try and do something for the everyday person that maybe they just want to pop in and get a makeover. Maybe that'll be my niche. I know I want to finish this makeup course knowing for a fact how to shade match for those with deeper skin tones. Honestly, anybody deeper than a piece of white paper, I need to know. For different undertones, I want to learn how to do the right makeup for eye shapes and face shapes, and I want to master soft natural glam. I want to pop up a photo. This is my wedding makeup because I did not want to go the route of soft natural makeup. I went dark, I went kind of heavy with my makeup. I love this look. I felt very pretty in it, but maybe looking back, I might be thinking I should have done a little bit of a lighter one. I did my makeup myself, by the way. But I think overall, I am hopeful. I'm excited. I am honestly just so absolutely thrilled that the Online Makeup Academy reached out to me, because they've reached out at a really great time. Like I said, I am in a transitional period of my life, and I am ready to take my makeup to the next level. I am ready to be more of who I want to be. So I think what I'm basically trying to say through this entire video is that I am studying to be a full-fledged makeup artist, all thanks to Online Makeup Academy. They are flexible, they are just all around, from what I've tried so far, very inclusive, very knowledgeable, and everything that I'm learning, even though I do have some knowledge of it, it's always nice to have, one, a refresher, and two, a correction in case I learn something wrong. And I think that's going to be the case. I'm going to be finding that I learned things wrong, but I'm going to learn how to make my own kit, how to sanitize it, how to be a professional, and what people look for when they say professional, what they mean, and I am just so excited. So thank you, Online Makeup Academy, for reaching out to me. I cannot wait to complete my course, and if you're interested in signing up for this program, I will have all the details listed below. I believe I have a discount of $100 off if you want to sign up for it, but it's all down there below. I am just so happy to start the next journey in my life. I'm just so excited. But that wraps up this video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, turn on notifications, all that jazz. You can follow me over on my other social medias. I'm ARTISTRYXASHH everywhere. Let me know what you think down below, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye!